How to connect minecarts in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to simulate connected minecarts in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. While Bedrock doesn't support physically linking minecarts like in some Java mods, I'll show you how to create the illusion of a train using a few techniques. What do you need? Here's what you will need. Some minecarts, rails and powered edge rails, redstone, torques or levers, blocks to build on. Step 1. Build the track. Place the rails where you want your train to go. Add power edge rails every few blocks to keep the minecarts moving. Use the redstone torques or levers to turn the power edge rails on. Try to keep the track straight and simple. Step 2. Add the minecarts. Put your minecarts closely together on the track. You can mix types, like one with a chest and one regular. Place them right behind each other so they move as a group. Step 3. Make them move. Push the first minecart or use a powered edge rail to start it. The others will follow close behind, making look like they're connected. Step 4. Keep them together. To keep them look like a train, use enough powered edge rails to keep speed. Don't make sharp turns, and add blocks on the sides to guide them if you need it. This trick works best in straight tracks or simple loops. It might not work as well on very bumpy or complicated tracks, so test in creative mode first to make sure it works the way you want. And that's how you can fake connected minecarts in Minecraft Bedrock. It's not a real train, but it looks great and works well. Try it on your road and have fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.